My name is Elene ANTON. I did my PhD at CNRS in applied mathematics and in particular queuing systems and stochastic processes. And my PhD was funded by the ANF RACON. The title of my PhD is Performance Analysis of Redundancy and Mobility in Multi-Server Systems, and I was supervised by Urtzi Ayesta and Maike Berru. During my PhD, we analyzed the performance of a particular queuing system we consider a multi-server system. This is similar to the queuing systems that we can find in a supermarket. So we have a set of cashiers or servers, and each server is going to have its own queue. So an incoming customer needs to decide which queue to join, and then it's going to wait in this queue until it's served by the cashier or server and then leaves the system. We analyze the performance of redundancy, which is a load balancing technique. Load balancing techniques decide to which queue each incoming customer needs to join. So redundancy, when an incoming customer arrives to the system, this customer is going to do multiple copies of itself and is going to send these copies into different queues in the system. And then these copies will queue up until the first of them is served by the cashier. And when this happens, the job and all the customer and all its copies are going to leave the system. So in the end, redundancy aims to minimize the response time of a customer, because this customer is going to experience the minimum response time among the response time of its copies. But at the same time, when we implement redundancy in the system, we are overloading this system with copies that queue up and are not completely served. One of our main results shows that under redundancy and when the server speeds are sufficiently heterogeneous, the performance of the system and hence the response time of the jobs can improve considerably. When I finished my master's thesis, I wanted to do a PhD in probability stochastic processes and something applied. And when I saw the opportunity to start with this project, I chose it because it had an applied flavor and also a mathematical challenge that I really liked. Currently, I am a postdoctoral researcher at the Eindhoven University of Technology in the Netherlands, and I am also a member of the Networks program.